How was the maiden run in the passenger seat that never used to be in the car?
I liked it, but it's a little bit unsafe because I need a seatbelt and I need to be able to open my door. But it was pretty good.
Oh, picky, picky, picky. Okay, all right, all right. All right, guys. Maiden run with the passenger seat for the first time ever, or, well, passenger seat for the first time in at least 15 or 20 years. Yeah. Maybe 18. Get out, work on your car.